Mantri Developers is into making residential apartments. We are into making of commercial complexes and malls. We are based out of Bangalore. We have completed more than 20 plus projects. All our projects which are completed are being landmark projects across Bangalore and Chennai. And coming, we have diversified into locations. So we have started our operations in Hyderabad. We have launched Mantri Celestia, which is almost at a completing stage. And coming to the new projects launches, we are looking. We have already launched Mantri Euphoria. During launch, we have sold more than 20 units. This is a unique project in terms of design because this is a Balinese theme architecture villas. Balinese theme architecture is more of greenery and water as a design element. It will have unique features of offering, where we'll offer 23,000 square feet of 5+ star club, which will have a banquet hall, which will have a gold class theater, which will have a pool with a 5-star arrangement which connects to party hall. The outside the clubhouse you will have a open aquarium kind of arrangement which is called bio pool. It is connected to a party lawn, basically a reflexology pool also. So these are the unique differentiator factor versus other projects. And within the villa we are offering a private elevator. And every door opening and window opening here is going to be 8 feet, and the ceiling heights are going to be more than 10.7 feet, which will create a grand kind of look for a villa. And these villas will have a pool also with a deck area. There is a central courtyard also. So the concept is you are going to have a central courtyard inside the villa, and you will have a central courtyard inside the clubhouse, and there is a central park. So the entire development is 20 acres in which we are building 151 villas. Price starts at 2.3 crores. It is for a category A, which is class A, which is 274 square yards with 3055 built up area. So we have multiple categories of products. So the C category 5170 will cost you about 4+ crores. The highest category, and we are doing it in 2 phases. Phase 1 will get ready by May 2015, and phase 2 will get ready in Jan 2016. There's a work is going on at a brisk progress at the site. So interested people can visit the site and all. And Apreda, on the day 1 we have got a very good response. There has been good enquiries for the luxury villas we have received. Thank you very much.